5 best features.
Big and clear 1.96 HD display. The large 1.96-inch HD screen makes everything, time, messages, stats, and watch faces, easy to see and read. It's ideal for quick glances without squinting. Bluetooth calling right on your wrist. You can make and receive calls directly from the watch using the built-in mic and speaker, perfect when your phone is in your bag or pocket. Useful fitness and health tracking. This watch has heart rate and SpO2 monitoring, plus multiple sports modes to track your everyday activities like running, walking, cycling, and more. Bilingual and user-friendly interface. It supports Hindi and English menus, making it easier for many users to navigate without confusion. IP68 water and sweat resistance. With IP68 protection, you don't have to worry about sweat or light splashes during workouts or daily use.
Oh, top 3 drawbacks.
No built-in GPS. There's no onboard GPS, so you'll need your phone for accurate route tracking during outdoor runs or cycling. Battery shrinks with heavy calling. If you use Bluetooth calling a lot, battery life can drop faster, so frequent charging may be needed on calling-heavy days. Basic smart features compared to some others. Advanced features like voice assistant support, reply options, or deep app integration are limited here.
Top comments by users. Listen, dear viewer. Check these things before accepting the parcel.
Please like the video and subscribe for more helpful content.